Since 1969, we have been manufacturing cooking appliances designed and developed to be reliable, easy to use, and beautiful to look at. With these goals in mind, our research and development team is constantly working to find solutions and innovations that improve our products and make them more functional and sustainable. Inspired by the automotive world, the range cookers are developed around a supporting frame to be strong, easy to repair, and sustainable. Each component can be easily disassembled, disposed of, and recycled. Each range cooker is individually produced in accordance with specific customer requests. The size, trim, color, and finish combinations meet every need. And with the RAL Classic option, every range cooker becomes as unique as the style of your home. In production, every step follows high standards, such as the selection of IC304 steel used in professional kitchens. The metal sheets are processed to become a component of the appliance. Laser cutting, stamping, bending, and welding are entrusted to the control of ILVE technicians, alternating between automated and manual processes. It is also at this stage that the oven, the technological heart of ILVE ranges, takes shape. The 5 walls are joined together by an automatic welding machine. The inner cavity is then enameled at 700 degrees, making it more resistant and easier to clean. The ovens are produced in 8 sizes and capacities, for ovens reaching up to 400 degrees Celsius. The individual elements of the oven door are assembled by the robots. All parts are glued to withstand the stress they will undergo during use. After taking shape, the semi-finished products are sent to the finishing department. Each piece is beveled, brushed, and polished by hand, meticulously checked before assembly. The outer shell panels are dyed with special paints to achieve a wear and temperature-resistant finish. An agile production philosophy guides the assembly line to reduce waste and return value to our customers. In the assembly line, the muffle is coated with insulation material, then mounted to the supporting structure, together with all other components. After the electrical elements have been wired and the gas nozzles have been connected to the system, the structure is closed with the control panel and the exterior panels. Then the aesthetic finishes, such as knobs and handles, are fitted. In the final stage, the electrical and gas systems are tested together with all mechanical components. Before shipment, the range cooker is packed with only recyclable material. Wood, cardboard, and scratch protection create a tailor-made box to safely deliver a perfect appliance anywhere in the world.